In this report, we take you on a tour of $350 a month rent in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. After we tour 2 homes, one expensive and one cheap, I'll show you around town so you get a better feel for whether or not you're interested in visiting or retiring early for cheap in Puerto Morelos, Mexico. Then I'll share 2 links to 2 videos we've made about the cost of living here, including rents, utilities, groceries, restaurants, transportation, and entertainment. We were last in Puerto Morelos 1 year ago. We had such fun last year, we decided to return for 2 months this year. There's no reason to take notes. We'll provide links to everything at the end of this video. It's moving day. We've actually been here for a month already, and we're moving to another place. Let's see what 𝐿𝐻𝐻𝐻 up to. Ahoy!
Hey.
Here's our place.
Here is our working place here.
Yeah, we had our computers here. We're all packed up now, ready to leave.
There's TV here, and the kitchen is fully furnished. Kitchen here, everything is here. And there's a toilet here. So, oh, by the way, the toilet is, you can flush the toilet paper down to the, toilet. This is the second bedroom of Francis. Washer and dryer here. Very good.
So we moved to a new place. Oh, show them the master.
Yeah, the
Or
master.
the other bedroom. I don't know what.
Bedroom.
Neither one has a bathroom, so it's a well-equipped place. We spent Christmas and New Year's here, and now we go to a new apartment.
Yeah, can't wait to see our new apartment.
We'll show it to you next. So when we're traveling internationally, we have a smaller luggage set, just 2 suitcases that we check, and we each have a backpack about this size. This is our mosquito net, which normally fits in the pink one. This one here, that's Chung's. And then when we're in a country and we're moving places within a country, usually we're on a bus or we take a taxi or various ways, whatever's most convenient and reasonably priced. But when we're traveling like that between cities, we're able to bring more junk because maybe we have food that we haven't run out of, or we have, shampoo and just normal everyday stuff we buy over a month when we're in a place. And if we're just going to another part of town or a city away, we pack all that stuff in more temporary bags like this. We're in the new place.
Yes. Check out our new place.
Do you want to see?
But this is the front bedroom with AC and 2 beds, fully furnished. And then a bathroom.
It has a gas water heater, with a tank and everything. So
yeah, I like the light here. I have everything here also, still the same. Coffee maker and toaster, blender, pot and pan. It's all here. Everything is here. Second bedroom here. Oh, I thought you turned on the light in the room, and
patio out back.
very bright on, have TV, internet, everything. Very cute place. Right?
Yeah, it's very cute. I like all the light. And she said this place is 6 months minimum, $350 a month plus utilities, right?
Plus USD,
Right.
yes.
Very nice. So this is a family-style local restaurant where you're going to get food made by some family. Behind, as you can see, the prices are reasonable, and they've probably been eating this food for generations.
And also there's a fresh made everything.
Yeah, everything's fresh made every single day.
Oh, okay.
And it's often half the price, sometimes less than what we'll show you later are expat restaurants. And the interesting thing is, sometimes in the expat restaurants, they'll calm down the flavors because they're really trying to serve people that have no ability to take any kind of spices or heat. Some parts of America we have really good Mexican food, but often it's kind of white bread food. Good?
Oh, really good. I love this one.
And look at these 3 salsas here. Get some good heat in here.
Yeah.
Woo!
some ass-kicking sauce right there.
So that's a family restaurant in Mexico. The tacos were $1, or those were quesadillas actually, and quite good.
Very good to me.
And if you wanted to go, like a to-go to quesadilla or a taco or whatever, you can go to one of these stands like this, and they're 15 pesos, which is like 75 cents. And they can be just as good or better. It's not about the building you're in, and that's what's so silly about the expat kind of restaurant. Here's a taco place. Taco.com. Let's look at how much it is. I've eaten here before. It's not bad. We ate here, I think it was last week. I'll show you film from the food we got. But the tacos that I had here, vegetarian tacos like I had today, I showed you in a Mexican neighborhood. Here those tacos are 150, and it's a little smaller here, the servings are, and they didn't even bring salsa to the table. They're like, oh, you like spicy? When we ate here, so we had to ask them to bring salsa, which would just be automatic in any real Mexican restaurant. And so 150. We both ate this morning for 80, and so 80 it'd be $4 for both of us to eat, and here it's $6.50 for what I got, what I paid $2 for. And this does not. It's more like what an American thinks a taco should be rather than a real taco. So anyway. This is what Tuesday looks like if you retire early. Welcome to Tuesday.
We are on the bicycle in the morning. After our breakfast, we were just cycling around. Hello, sir. Hello. We are here. And this is our house. Do you want to know what 50 peso, which is $2.50, what thing you can buy in Mexico, Puerto Morelos, is this bag of thing. Why is this? Let's see. It's a lot of the tortilla and the rice and the chili and the roasted chicken. Let's see first. It is very good. So I'm eating chicken and a glass of wine. Cherry, hot side, you just need to have a cut. It's a very nice one. Oh, the environment is so nice, they have AC, very good.
Wow. Wow. But these bats, I wonder where they birds. Hey, if you liked our video, please like, comment, or subscribe. Any of that would help our business. Thanks so much.
Thank you so much.
Click the link in the notes below this video to get a copy of this content. Plus, grab a free copy of my ebook, How I Fired My Boss and Traveled the World for 13 Years. While you're there, check out our catalog of retired cheap reports all over the world and our hobby income course that we just released. Thanks so much.